Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 9 is to power x plus 9 is to power x is equals to 54. And most of people think about this question is a difficult one because our required variable or our value for which we are solving this question is existing inside a exponent. So this make the question is difficult, but you will see here inside this video how much easy it is. So let's begin our video. So our given question is 9 is to power x plus 9 is to power x is equal to 54, and we should solve this question for x. In order to solve this question, first we should apply the basic rule of algebra, which is if two variable are having the same value, it can be add. It means that a plus a equal to 2a. In the same way, you can see that this 9 is to power x plus 9 is to power x having the same value. It means that it can be add up, and we can write this value as 2 9 is to power x. So we can write this as 2 is same, and this 9x can be written in bracket form, which is 9 is to power x. Now in the next step, this 2 which is in multiplication with 9 is to power x will move to the other side of the equation, and it will divide 54, and we will get, after dividing 54 with this 2 value, and we will get 9 is to power x is equals to 27. Now this 27 can be written as 3 is to power 3, and this 9 can be written as 3 square, because the square of 3 will be equal to 9. So this 9 can be written as 3 is to power 2, and this x will remain same, and this 27 can be written 3 is to power 3, because the value for 3 is to power 3 will be equal to 27. Now here we apply another basic rule of algebra, which is if the bases are equal, then their power are also equal. So here we will apply the same rule, and we will get, after applying this rule, 2x equal to 3. And now this 2 will move to the other side of the equation, and it will go division with this 3, and we will get the value for the x, which is 3 over 2, and that this is the value for x, which is 3 over 2, and here we get the value for the x for this equation. You can see that this question very easy, and we can solve this question by using the basic rule of algebra. I hope this video very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.